with the Additive Guru channel, and this is your 3D printing news brief. National Defense Magazine recently published an article about the Air Force's new Rapid Sustainment Office. The purpose of the Rapid Sustainment Office is to use new technologies to reduce the cost of maintaining current air platforms. This way the Air Force doesn't have to go out to a supplier, which many of them are out of business. A perfect example of this is a KC-135. The KC-135's trim wheel that worked for the rudder was originally produced by a manufacturer that's now out of business. So the Air Force decided to reverse engineer this part and 3D print it. The original cost of this part through traditional manufacturing was upwards of $700, but through 3D printing, the cost dropped down to $55. Another air platform that's benefiting from 3D printing technology is this Lockheed Martin C-5 Super Galaxy. The C-5 Super Galaxy has been upgraded with 3D printed parts. At Dover Air Force Base, the Rapid Sustainment Office installed 17 3D printed parts on the C-5 Galaxy. Eddie Preston, who is a senior materials engineer for the Rapid Sustainment Office, explained that through traditional manufacturing, the replacement parts had a long lead time that ranged anywhere from a week to a year to arrive at the base. But through 3D printing, post-processing and manufacturing time ranges between 24 and 48 hours. Now the Air Force is getting parts cheaper and faster. Please see the channel of Additive Guru for more news briefs, and thanks for watching.